Even with the best precautions, accidents can still happen to senior loved ones at home. Research shows that over 30% of elderly home accidents occur in the kitchen, especially when they are alone. In this video, we'll show practical tips and tools that make kitchen tasks safer and easier for seniors. All the mentioned products links are in the description below. Number 30. Visual Kitchen Timer. Upgrade your kitchen and daily routine with this stylish stainless steel timer. Its saucer-shaped design and magnetic back let you stick it on any metal surface for easy access. Perfect for cooking, studying, workouts, or classroom activities, it delivers precise timing with a clear dial and a loud 85 decibel mechanical alarm. No batteries needed, just reliability, convenience, and a touch of elegance to keep you on track every day. Number 29. Pan Buddy. It's made to lift and cook with ease using the Pan Buddy, designed to keep your wrist in a natural position and shift weight to your forearm. Its universal two-piece design fits handles up to 2 inches, while the vertical handle screws in securely. Stay safe from heat transfer. No mitts needed. Quick to attach and perfect for heavy cast iron pans, this durable, heat-resistant helper makes cooking more comfortable and stress-free. Number 28. Kitchen Mama Multifunction Opener. Next is the Kitchen Mama Multifunction Opener, a clever and versatile tool that makes opening jars and bottles a breeze, especially for seniors or those with arthritis. Shaped like a parrot, it's both a practical kitchen gadget and a charming decor piece. It effortlessly opens beer bottles, water bottle caps, jars, and cans of various sizes. Number 27. Anti-Fatigue Kitchen Mat. Now we have a supportive solution for seniors who spend extended time standing while cooking. Its thick, pressure-absorbing design helps ease strain on the legs, joints, and lower back, reducing the aches caused by hard surfaces. The mat features a water-resistant, slip-resistant top layer that adds stability underfoot. It holds up well over time while remaining light enough to move when needed. It adds comfort to daily routines and helps seniors stay steady and relaxed during household tasks. Number 26. Soleader Plate Gripper. Next is the Solar Plate Gripper, a handy tool that helps seniors safely handle hot pots and dishes. It features a long, flat gripping head that fits into narrow spaces, making it easy to lift hot bowls, plates, or inner pots from appliances like the Instant Pot. The set includes 2 grippers with spare anti-slip silicone pads for added safety. These grippers securely attach to larger or heavier pots, preventing spills and protecting fingertips. Number 25. Cut-resistant gloves. These dual wire cut-resistant gloves provide level 5 cut protection, delivering significantly higher defense than ordinary kitchen gloves. They allow seniors and stroke survivors to prepare food feeling safe. These gloves are lightweight while remaining highly durable. Their flexible design supports natural hand movement, making precise tasks easier. They are washable and reusable, making them practical. By reducing the risk of injury, these gloves help promote independence and make cooking safer and less stressful. Available for $10. Number 24. Vegetable Scrubber Brush. Now let's talk about a simple tool that can make food prep easier. The Fruit and Vegetable Cleaning Brush. It can easily remove and residue on your produce with this handy essential. It has soft yet effective bristles. It gently cleans fruits and vegetables without damaging delicate skins. The design and comfortable grip make washing produce quick and effortless, especially for seniors or anyone with limited hand strength. Number 23. Electric Cheese Grater. This gadget is equipped with 5 stainless steel blades. It slices, shreds, chops, and grinds with ease, replacing multiple tools in your kitchen. Perfect for cheese, vegetables, and more. It speeds up busy mornings, weeknight dinners, or party prep. Made from BPA-free food-grade materials, it's safe, healthy, and durable, making everyday cooking faster, easier, and more enjoyable. Number 22. Cooking Helper. This is a one-handed kitchen aid that helps secure jars, bottles, or bowls in place, making opening and stirring easier. Its stable, non-slip design reduces the need for a strong grip or two-handed use, improving safety during food preparation. Lightweight and compact, it is especially helpful for seniors and stroke survivors, supporting independence and confidence in daily cooking tasks. Priced at $8. Number 21, seenlast warming mat. Enjoy warm meals with this rapid heating food warming mat. It heats evenly in under 10 seconds with 3 adjustable temperature settings. Designed with modern insulation and a non-slip silicone surface, it protects your countertop while staying durable, splash-proof, and easy to clean. Timer and auto-off features ensure safety, making it best for daily meals or celebrations. Number 20, T-Grip Rocker Knife. Another kitchen item that makes daily tasks easier for seniors is a rocker knife. Designed with a smooth rocking motion, it allows food to be cut with less effort while providing better control and stability. This makes it especially helpful for individuals with limited hand strength or arthritis. This particular rocker knife features a durable, heavy-duty blade that is intentionally less sharp than standard knives. For those who prefer a sharper edge, the blade can be sharpened just like any other kitchen knife to suit individual preferences. Number 19, Step Stool. Even with a reaching stick, many seniors need a little extra boost in the kitchen. A step stool with a built-in handle makes it safer to reach high shelves by providing improved balance. Foldable step stools are stored easily and are always there when needed. It has a safety auto lock system for added stability. Simply open the folding ladder and press down on the top pedal. The automatic safety buckle locks into place, securing the steps and preventing tilting during use. Number 18, Rechargeable Electric Knife. Slice and carve with ease using this cordless electric knife. Its sharp serrated blades handle turkey, bread, fish, and more with precision. Easy assembly, dishwasher safe blades, and USB charging make it convenient for any kitchen. The ergonomic handle reduces hand fatigue, while safety features like a blade lock and dual switch start keep you secure. Number 17, StirMATE. This stir automatically adjusts to different pot sizes and gently sweeps the bottom for even cooking. The quiet, powerful motor runs for hours on a single charge with variable speed control for perfect results. Optional attachments expand its versatility, making it a reliable partner for long, slow cooking sessions. Number 16, Sliner Adult Sippy Cups. This cup supports independent drinking. It is designed for seniors or those with limited mobility, hand tremors, or swallowing challenges. Made from food-safe PP and silicone, the transparent cup shows liquid levels at a glance. 2 easy grip handles and a well-placed straw make sipping simple and comfortable, while the leak-proof lid ensures no spills. Number 15, Canslab Ultrablade PRO. Meet the Canslab Ultrablade PRO, a sleek and powerful hands-free can opener that makes opening cans effortless. One-touch operation with auto shutoff saves time, while side-cut technology leaves smooth, safe edges. The USB rechargeable battery powers through up to 120 cans per charge, and the magnetic lid lifter and retractable picker simplify removal. Quiet, fast, and ergonomic. Number 14, Pepper Core. This pepper core is made from strong ABS plastic and is designed for long-term use. The smooth edges keep your hands safe while cutting. It has a 2-in-1 design with 1 tool for long peppers and 1 for wide peppers. It is easy to use, just push, twist, and pull. Small and light, it is great for home cooking or outdoor trips. Number 13, Finger Guard. The stainless steel finger protector keeps fingers safe while slicing or chopping food, which can help seniors a lot. Its open loop bends to fit most finger sizes for both left and right hands. This finger guard is really lightweight and easy to move. It reduces the risk of cuts during repeated kitchen tasks. Can be rinsed with water or wiped clean, giving seniors reliable protection while preparing meals every day. Number 12, KongNai Kitchen Funnel. This silicone funnel set is made from food-grade material that is soft, flexible, and safe for daily kitchen use. It handles extreme heat and cold without damage. The set includes 4 funnels in different sizes and bright colors for easy sorting. The collapsible design saves space in drawers or cabinets. Cleaning is fast with soap and water or in the dishwasher, making kitchen prep easier and cleaner. Number 11, Kitchen Spoon Rest. This silicone spoon rest keeps your kitchen clean and organized while you cook. Raised edges catch oil and sauce drips, protecting your counters and stovetop. With 4 slots, you can place spoons, spatulas, ladles, or tongs separately and within reach. Made from food-grade, heat-resistant silicone with a non-slip base, it stays steady near heat. Dishwasher safe and durable, it replaces messy paper towels and makes cooking easier. Number 10. Pro Chicken Shredder. This chicken shredder makes shredding meat fast and effortless with its smart cross teeth design for even efficient results. Made from strong, heat-resistant, food-grade plastic, it is safe and durable for daily use. The ergonomic handle and non-slip base keep it steady and comfortable while shredding. Easy to clean with the included brush or in the dishwasher, it is best for salads, meals, or pet food prep. Number 9. OXO Good Grips Vegetable Chopper. This handy food chopper quickly chops vegetables, herbs, nuts, and more into even, uniform pieces. A sharp stainless steel blade spins smoothly as you pump the handle, giving fast results with little effort. The comfortable top knob makes chopping easy and controlled. It includes a catcher cup with clear measurement markings for accuracy. Excellent for preparing salads, salsas, and everyday cooking tasks. Number 8. Kuhn Rikon Pro Kitchen Shears. These multi-purpose kitchen shears are a powerful cutting companion for everyday tasks. They easily cut food, plastic, cardboard, flowers, and even wire. Micro-serrated, self-sharpening stainless steel blades hold items firmly for clean, precise cuts. Soft grip handles offer comfort and strong control for left or right-handed use. A quick-release spring supports one-hand cutting, while the locking design and slim shape ensure safe, space-saving storage. Number 7. BLAZIN THAW Defrosting Tray. This premium defrosting tray quickly thaws frozen meats and foods without creating a mess. Made from high-quality aluminum, it conducts heat efficiently for faster, safe thawing. Available in 14-inch large, 16-inch family size, and a premium edition, the thicker, larger trays ensure food thaws evenly and effectively, making meal prep faster and easier for busy kitchens. Number 6. Grater Guard. The safe Grate Finger Guard helps make food preparation safer, especially for seniors. It provides a firm grip on firm or soft foods like cheese, carrots, and ginger, while grating, slicing, or zesting. The stainless steel construction lasts through daily use, and the guard can be adjusted for larger or smaller pieces. This tool keeps fingers protected from grater and slicer accidents, making cooking safer and easier. Number 5. Gracula Garlic Crusher. Make meal prep fun with Gracula, the adorable garlic crusher by Ototo Studio. This cute vampire gadget quickly crushes garlic, ginger, nuts, herbs, and more, keeping your hands odor-free. Its ergonomic twist and crush design is easy to use and perfect for quick, precise mincing. Made from durable plastic, it's also a playful kitchen decor piece and a funny, practical gift for new homes or anyone who loves quirky, functional gadgets. Number 4. One-handed cutting board. This adaptive one-handed cutting board makes meal prep safe and easy for anyone with limited hand mobility, including seniors, disabled, or stroke survivors. Anti-slip spikes hold food securely, while the natural wood board stays stable with 4 suction feet. It includes a one-handed vegetable peeler, bread stops, and a 6-blade chopper that's easy to clean. Number 3. Meat Shredding Claws. The IU Meat Shredding Claws feature long wooden handles that provide a secure grip, making them easier to hold than plastic alternatives, especially for seniors or those with smaller hands. The handles stay cool, allowing safe use with hot food. Equipped with 5-pronged 420 stainless steel blades, these claws shred meat quickly and efficiently while standing up to regular use. Number 2. Oven Mitts. The Roar 6-piece oven mitt and pot holder set protects hands and forearms from burns, with silicone that resists heat up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. Non-slip surfaces provide a secure grip, ideal for seniors or anyone with reduced hand strength. Lightweight and flexible, they are easier to use than bulky fabric mitts. Matching pot holders add extra protection, and it's going to cost you $20. Number 1. Huusk Heavy Duty Scissors. The Huusk Heavy Duty Poultry Scissors help seniors and anyone with limited hand strength cut through meats with less effort. The sharp blades can handle chicken, turkey, and other types of meat, while the serrated edge is useful for tasks like scraping fish scales. Using these scissors reduces strain on the hands and wrists and makes preparing a variety of meals easier and safer in the kitchen. That concludes our 30 kitchen gadgets to simplify cooking. Check the description for links and current prices on all products, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips.